Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Day Trader David. So if you are someone new who is watching this video, then in this video I am going to share about a swing trade analysis, which is we will talk about that. So before that, if you are someone new who is watching this video, then definitely you can go through the contents of my channel. Here I share daily market analysis video. You can just watch that, and also I share a lot of other learning contents over here, and also few swing trade analysis also. If you see, our last swing trade analysis was like about it was on Bharti Airtel, HDFC Bank, Titan. Titan has hit its target, Bharti Airtel hits its target, and even HDFC Bank. Let me just show you where is HDFC Bank today. HDFC Bank. So even HDFC Bank is doing good. It is about to hit its target, almost 15 points, sorry, 35 points away from target, and it will definitely hit according to me. Okay, so let's talk about a new analysis, new swing trade analysis. It is on Reliance. Reliance, after a long consolidation, you can really see Reliance. How was Reliance trading? After a long consolidation, it has now finally given a breakout. So if you are a learner, so the basic thing that I always say, just pause this video, go back to your chart and study your chart, like what you can see on your chart, and after that you come back here and you can match your analysis. If it's match, yeah, if it is matching your analysis or not, you can come and check it out, right? So because it will motivate you also, that even you are a good analyst, something like that. So let's without wasting our time, let's begin our analysis for Reliance for coming days. So now Reliance, you can see today it's a huge green candle from the low of 1925, something somewhere on that level. Now it is above 1995, which is a huge momentum. So let's see what is happening in Reliance. So first we will try to identify this support, which is the most basic thing whenever we analyze our trade. So two things we do to analyze is the trend, second is the support and resistance. With this we analyze most of our stocks. So here you can see a good support Reliance, right? You can see multiple times support number 1, support number 2, and again when it came here, support number 3. So 3 times it has taken its support at this particular level. So after 3 times, mostly there is a high probability that the stock usually gives a breakout or it gives a breakdown. So what was my view and what was my trade? So we will discuss all those things over here. So now this is a support. So it is a simple triangle pattern. We had already discussed about triangle patterns, right? Let me just show you if I can. So here if you see patterns, short patterns, yeah, under my playlist, if you come here, chart patterns, then here you can see symmetrical triangle pattern, technical chart pattern. So here if you are someone new, then you can definitely go over here, you can click, or I will also provide the link in the description. You can definitely watch this video, then you can understand how to trade the chart, how to trade the triangle pattern, and then you can add on your analysis with this over here. Okay, so here it is the support. Now the second thing that we need to identify is the trend line, upper trend line. Very simple, very easiest one. Just extend this one, you will get a triangle, right? Now you can see a beautiful breakout, right? Earlier it was just like a consolidation, but now you can see a beautiful breakout in Reliance. I had already traded in Reliance multiple times. Over here you can also see my earlier analysis. I have taken trades at this breakout. I had taken trades on upper this range breakout. This looks like a flag, but it's a range breakout. I had traded over there. Now it's another swing trade opportunity in Reliance. So it's a triangle pattern. So whenever this pattern breaks, we know what is our target. We will discuss about our target, our entry, and also what should be our trading strategy in this, because we are nearing to our expiry, monthly expiry. So can we buy any kind of options over here? Definitely not. We should not go for option buying over here. If you are buying, then it would be definitely 110% it will be a hero zero trade, though the 90% there will be chance of becoming a zero, and remaining 10% there is a chance of becoming a hero. So I won't suggest that. I won't suggest of buying OTM options at this point of time, but the target is really huge. We will see over here. So now you can clearly see the breakout, right? So let's first identify our targets. What's our target? So whenever the triangle breakout happens, so the length of the triangle becomes our target. So at this case, it is almost 198 points. Let's say 200 points, almost 200 points if you calculate over here, right? Just take the scale, mark the highest point and the lowest point. You can see 195 to 198, somewhere around that. Then come back to this breakout level, come back here, mark that same 196 198 level, just draw a line, simple. Then you get your target of triangle analysis. Now the beauty of the technical analysis, let's talk about that. Earlier when Reliance gave a breakdown, it came at this level and again it made a price action at this level, a beautiful price action, right? It went up, made a dip, again it was not able to cross the day high, right? And then it broke the swing low, and then it continuously fell from this level, a beautiful price action at the top. So that was the level from where Reliance was continuously falling. But now after the breakout, what we can see is that same swing low, that same swing low is now our target. So now people who are trying to who want to trade in this, who want to make any positions over here. So what is our trading strategy? Let me just show you that also. And this is my Telegram channel. So here what you can see is Reliance position. Here I had given a position Reliance that sell 1950 put option and buy 1750 put option, approx 11k gain till expiry. So I had given to sell this at 50 rupees, Reliance 1950 to sell at 15, and now it is trading, this is 40, but now it is trading below 38, somewhere below that, and till expiry I'm expecting to become zero. So the approx margin required here was somewhere around 60,000, I guess. So out of 60,000, you will be gaining 11,000 from this. So this is option selling. So let's talk about our strategy. What should be our strategy in this? So this is a simple analysis, but after a long time we have seen a breakout. So now two things can happen out of here. So people can buy in the money options. So people who are preferring to buy options, so I will suggest them to buy in the money options. So if you are someone who can buy an in the money options, it will be trading around, I guess, 80 or 90 rupees. I didn't check the price. It might be trading around 80 rupees. So if you calculate with that, the margin will be, I don't know what will be the margin, but but instead of doing that, you can go for option selling, right? You can sell 1950 put option, you can buy any out of the money put options to hedge it, to reduce the margin. It is not a hedge, it is to just to reduce our margin amounts. Okay, so here the first step you can do is you can buy a in the money option, which can be 1950, a round number. So you can go for that. You can buy that call option, sorry, buy that call option, and your first target should be somewhere around this level. Then you can exit it before expiry. So the benefit of buying in the money option is, from here, let the Reliance go anywhere, you will be in profit, you won't be in loss. At least before expiry you won't be in loss. That is the benefit. But if you buy any OTM options, then before expiry, if you don't see the target, if your stock price didn't go above the target, then it is going to be in loss, right? So I suggest you to buy in the money options, or at least 2000 call option. You can go for that with a stop loss. Stop loss will be, today's stop loss is very huge in this, but when a target is huge, then your stop loss will also be huge. Or else you can go for futures buying. You can go for February month futures also. That is highly suggestible, because this target, I don't think that this target is achievable before the Jan expiry. If Reliance in market, stock market, anything can happen, but I'm not expecting it to happen before the expiry. So most probably you can see that this target in February month, right? So if you are going for February futures, then it is going to be fantastic. So three things that you can do over here is buy in the money options. Second, you can sell 1950 options, 1950 put option, and go for option selling. Your target, your profit expectation can be around 10,000 as of now, I guess, because before expiry I'm expecting, at least we can expect expiry above 1950. And third thing is, you can go for futures. If you have some good amount, if you have some good margin amount, then you can go for futures. If you go for futures, then this target can be achievable in February month. So let's see, that was all about Reliance, a small analysis, a small breakout of a triangle pattern. Now it has given almost, this is live market. So if it gives a closing, so now time is 3 o'clock. So I don't think if it is going to fall below 1970. So it is almost closing above, near 1990, somewhere around that level. So it will plan to close above level only. So we can see some momentum. We can see 1 or 2 days halt also. After then the momentum can continue. But one thing is very sure in Reliance, you should not sell Reliance anywhere now. You should only try to grab Reliance. The only strategy you need to apply is buy on dips. For intraday also, whenever you get any dips, as per market condition of course, so you can try to grab if you see any kind of good patterns at the lower levels. So until this target is achieved, until then you will see only for a buying opportunity in Reliance. That should be only strategy in Reliance. So that was all about Reliance. In HDFC also the same thing as we discussed earlier also, buy on dips. So today also we did a good trade in the HDFC, a 30 points trade in HDFC Bank. Let me just show you a smaller time frame. It was a fantastic trade in HDFC. Okay, so this was the level of buying. This trade was also given in my daily market analysis video. So if you are someone new who is watching this video, then don't miss my daily market analysis video. So there I share daily market analysis after post market. So if you check, then this was the right level where I booked my profit. Let me just show you, right? So at this line I booked my profit of 30 points within first 15 minutes. So that's very important, right? After that I got a second opportunity also of selling at this level. From here there was almost 20 points, 20 to 22 points dip from that level also. But I am looking only for buying, so I don't take trade contra trades, right? So we got contra trades also, but I don't prefer trading that. So it can be traps also. So here HDFC Life also good trade. So that was all about Reliance. Hope this analysis was useful, a very simple analysis. So you can also prefer taking any type of trades in Reliance. Reliance looks good as of now. So the only strategy is buy on dips for intraday also. So guys, that's it for this day. So that was all about Reliance. So if you like this video, if you like my analysis, then you can definitely hit the like button, because it will motivate me to make such more analysis video to you all for in coming days also. If you see the last 3 swing analysis, okay, so last 3 has hit my target almost. HDFC Bank is also it is a running trade, so it is also going to hit my target. I had taken HDFC Bank in cash, so also you can also buy Reliance in cash also, so that is also preferable, because there is a target of around 200 points, so it's not bad to grab in cash. So that's all about Reliance. So also definitely hit the like button. It will motivate me to make such more learning contents for you all. So that's it for the day. I will meet you with some another learning video, and thank you for watching.